If you think a small studio apartment can't achieve proper flow, but for this transformation, you're about to be surprised. Today, I'm sharing 5 must-know tricks to designing a small studio apartment. Starting with the layout to smart choices in materials, setting up your base finishes, styling with smart furniture and decor, and even budget planning. So stick around to see a functional, stylish, and truly livable apartment. Before we begin, subscribe for more transformations like this, and if you need help, contact us via email or WhatsApp. Number 1. Smart layout that maximizes space. When it comes to designing a small studio apartment, layout became the smartest trick. The layout was designed to make 43 square meters work. At the entryway, the kitchen and laundry greets right away in a linear layout. Just a few steps further, the dining area flows into the living space. Share one side of the apartment, keeping it open and social. The bedroom is enclosed, giving the homeowner a sense of privacy, with bathroom tucked away in its own corner, ensuring comfort and discretion. This layout isn't just about dividing zones. It's about creating a daily rhythm where cooking, relaxing, and resting all fit naturally. Number 2. Cohesive material choices. The studio-type apartment was planned to feel modern yet warm. Warm wood accents adds character, combining marble look finishes for a sense of elegance and durability. For furniture and built-ins, laminated wood, fabric upholstery, and glass elements balance softness with function. Choosing materials that are light, durable, and easy to maintain ensures the studio remains stylish and functional for years. Number 3. Seamless base, finishes, and accents. Keep the base finishes clean and continuous to make the small space feel larger. Illuminated cove ceiling used for the living and bedroom, while rest of the area is a flat surface with recessed LED lights. Terrazzo tile flooring run throughout the unit, while in porcelain tiles in cream finish for the bathroom. On the matte white walls, white panels with vertical wood slats used in living, and warm wood panel in bedroom add rhythm and texture. 2 wall tiles used in bathroom, a gray large format tiles and white marble look tile. Both are durable, stain resistant, and water resistant. These thoughtful finishes keep the design consistent, functional, and elegant across every space. Number 4. Furniture plus decor styling. The furniture was chosen to stay light, functional, and space-saving. Let's start with the living area. For the main furnitures, a low-profile sofa in soft fabric comes in at $350 to $400, balancing comfort with scale, layered with cushions and throw. A leatherette round coffee table was paired with small marble pedestal table for layering. The set cost around $250 to $300 together. Styled it with a mix of decorative pieces, dome table lamp, vase with delicate branches, and some books. The jute area rug feels warm and cohesive. For some accent yet functional pieces, a round poof and marble-based side table with styling pieces was a perfect choice. The walls needed personality. An architectural theme wall art gave depth, then layered curtains softened the edges. And anchoring it all above is the geometric square LED pendant light, costs $160 to $200. Now across the seating is the entertainment wall, featuring a mounted flat-screen TV at the center, and the oak floating console in white drawer keeps the floor clear with a small dome table lamp and greenery. With every piece carefully chosen, this living area now feels modern, balanced, and effortlessly stylish for around $1,940 to $2,490. Now, let's move into the dining area. A solid wood rectangular dining table in a light oak finish styled with florals. It's paired with Scandinavian-style chairs with soft upholstered seats. The set feels airy but grounded. The entire set costs around $900 to $1,100 from Article or IKEA. Then, a white dome-shaped pendant drops just low enough to frame the dining set. Against the wall, a minimalist 2-tier console works as extra storage or display surface. Lastly, a framed abstract artwork sets the tone with layered neutral colors. These pieces turn the area into a light-filled dining space, costing around $1,200 to $1,400. Then let's step into the kitchen and laundry area. runs the counter is the solid quartz countertop paired with deep gray marble look backsplash, keeping the surface durable and easy to clean, ranging from $300 to $400 depending on supplier. The base cabinets use a warm oak wood finish, adding texture, while the upper cabinets are finished in glossy white, making the narrow corridor kitchen feel wider. Build would cost about $900 to $1,200. Appliances keep the space clean as it arranged properly. The LED strip under the overhead cabinets creates warm task lighting over the counter, and to soften the hard finishes, small touches of greenery and kitchen items were added. Also, along one wall, placed a triptych horse artwork that breaks up the plain corridor wall. Moving to the laundry zone, tucked neatly behind a slim 2 matte white doors. Inside is a wood finish storage cabinets where washer and dryer was placed, maximizing vertical space. This close and open section holds cleaning tools and extra linens. Overall, this kitchen and laundry ranges $1,800 to $1,900. Designed to keep everything concealed, adding both function and a polished look. Now into the bedroom. A space designed to feel calm, layered, and personal. Start with a low-profile upholstered bed layered with neutral sheets and textured pillows. A bed like this costs around $700 to $1,000. Underfoot is a gray area rug with soft curving patterns, softens the terrazzo floor. A full-height mirror expands the sight lines and makes the compact bedroom feel larger. Flanking the bed, there are 2 minimalist drawer nightstands. Each piece is topped with decor accent, giving balance and symmetry, while one having disc cone pendant. The workspace is compact but efficient, designed with slim white desk with built-in drawers along the side costing $190 to $220. It offers just enough surface for gadgets, decor, and an adjustable desk lamp, paired with curved upholstered armchair, making the corner feel cozy for $180 to $230. Then a tall glass front cabinet with built-in lighting for decorative objects, turning storage into a design feature. Along one entire side, the bedroom is anchored by a full-height built-in wardrobe, concealing storage and keeping the bedroom calm, clutter-free, and cohesive that would cost around $800 to $1,100. And a greenery beside it adds extra freshness inside the room. Together, this bedroom turns into a calm retreat that feels both stylish and comfortable, with an estimated cost of $2,800 to $3,200. And finally, the bathroom. Small in size, but styled to feel like a modern spa retreat. A wall-mounted toilet with concealed tank makes cleaning much easier. Above, having a vertical cabinet in light oak finish, with open shelves highlighted with LED strip lighting, providing space for toiletries and some towels that would cost around $250 to $350. The centerpiece here is the floating vanity in light oak wood with a rectangular ceramic vessel sink. In the open shelf, towels was added together with basket below. A tall vanity mirror with LED backlight adds both style and task lighting, costing around $280 to $350 from Wayfair or IKEA. Hanging beside the mirror is a slim cylinder pendant for extra light and detail. Inside the enclosed tempered glass is the shower area, where a rain shower head with a matching handheld sprayer adds that spa-like touch, while the recessed niche keeps bath items off the floor while looking clean and intentional. So with layered finishes and spa-like details, this bathroom now feels luxurious for just $2,800 to $2,900, including the finishes. With the right furniture and a few carefully chosen decor pieces in every area, even the smallest studio can feel comfortable, stylish, and complete. Number 5. Budget planning that keeps style affordable. Designing a small studio isn't just about style, it's about spending wisely. This full apartment makeover came in at a total of $10,500 to $11,000. So how did we keep style under the budget? Invest in a high-impact finishes, like the wood panels and marble look accent. Then the budget was divided strategically. Major investments went into core pieces like the sofa, bed, and built-in storage. Balance them with budget-friendly pieces such as soft layering, decorative accents, and elegant lighting that added personality without overspending. By mixing investment pieces with budget finds and using versatile furniture, this studio apartment makeover came together stylishly without ever losing control of the budget. This studio shows how the right layout and smart styling can completely change the way a space feels. If this gave you ideas for your own home, don't forget to check the description for product links you can use at home. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Want to see more home transformations like this? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.